Communication leads to a society that is to understanding, intimacy, and mutual valuing. An efficient telecommunication network is the foundation upon which an information society is built. Good morning, everyone. I am Chinmoyee Biswas, informing you all about the significance of today. As we all know, 17th May is commemorated as the World Telecommunication and Information Day, but most of us are unaware of it. The World Telecommunication Day was proclaimed to be on 17th May by the United Nations General Assembly resolutions following the 2005 World Summit on the Information Society in Tunis. The purpose of the World Telecommunication and Information Society Day is to help raise awareness of the possibilities that the use of the internet and other information and communication technologies can bring the societies and economies, as well as the ways to bridge the digital divide. This year, we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the World Telecommunication and Information Society Day, which has been celebrated annually since 1969. On this day, the UN rigorously works to highlight the themes such as bridging on standardization gap. Communication is the fabric that holds people together. It has several uses such as telecommunication provides a technological foundation for societal communication. Telecommunication enables participation and development. Telecommunication also serves as an important tool for businesses. By adopting a sophisticated telecommunication, many have experienced productivity, better customer services, and increased growth. To cork it up, I would like to quote Sir Paul J. Mayer. Communication and human connection is the key to personal and career successes. Thank you all.